Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with clipping using Whop. So Whop is gaining a lot of popularity these days and people are making huge amount of money on this platform. So if you are also one of them and you want to make your money here, so you just have to first of all click on the link that is given in the description, or you can come on whop.com and you can basically set up your account. It's very easy. You need to provide your email address and create a strong password for your account and you are done. So over here, once you are on this home page, you need to simply just go to this discover tab, and over here in your discover tab you will see a bunch of different options of making money. Like there would be some live streams that are going on, and you will see the contact rewards option. So this is the option that we are looking for, and you just have to simply just click on the see all option. So what are these? So these are basically the communities which you can join, and then you can just take their videos, and after that you just have to simply start clipping of their videos. Basically you will have to create the short videos out of those long videos, and you need to post it on the platforms like Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. Now you will see that some of the communities have mentioned the platforms, like this one has Instagram, TikTok and YouTube, whereas this one has only TikTok and this one only has Instagram. So you will have to select the community based on your preferences. For example, if you are highly active at Instagram, so you can just click on this community, and as you can see that this is free for lifetime. So in order to join that, you will have to simply click on this join option, and then it will take some time and it will join you in this group. Now once you are inside it, you will have to simply open it and it will look something like this. Now first of all, you will have to read the instructions that they have mentioned. Then you need to go to the earn section, and from here you will see how you can start earning. So whichever video they are going to give you, you just have to use that video, and you need to just create the videos out of that. And once you post those videos on Instagram, as you can see only Instagram is available here. So once you post that video on Instagram, you need to paste that link to Whop and into this community, and then whenever you get 1000 views on your Instagram, you are going to get paid 2.50 in your Whop account. So this way you can just start making money with clipping using Whop. Is this video help you out? Give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.